Hi guys, Janet with Strange RV Tours. I'm here in Eustis, Florida, at a lovely resort, Southern Palms, and this place is massive, massive. So let me show you around. There's lots here and lots of people. It's getting crowded. Yeah, so this is the check-in office. Took a picture at the entrance, but this place is Encore Thousand Trails, and this is the resort. It's 1,251 spots, okay, and we are actually right there in the sun section, and here's the pine section, and here's the palm section. But everybody's been really great here. Most places we have no problems with anything, but getting packages delivered is great. UPS and FedEx goes directly to your spot. Post office people, the mail comes to the office. But anyway, I'm not going to film the office personnel, but they do have a little workout area, which we stepped in, and I did a little pedaling, you know, but it's lots of people here now. Lots of people. So, see who anybody's around. Nah, nobody's here right now. Awesome. But they're turning on some lights. Got little pedal bikes. You know, treadmill. There's a few free weights. And they would like you to wipe down your equipment after you're done. That's only, you know, etiquette, being courteous to the next person. Weight machine here. Oh my, should I even do this? Not. I'm not gonna weigh myself. But anyway, let's go check out the clubhouse in this area. There we go. So many people. So many people. Like, we've enjoyed the hot tub. See? And bathrooms are coded. Oh yeah. Yeah, code skid in the bathrooms. Laundry. It's massive. And they take cards in the machines or quarters. $2.25 to wash and dry, either or. But you know, slide your card, which is convenient because it's hard to find quarters. You know that. But, and I've noticed guys in the early mornings and women in the early mornings doing the shuffleboard, and they have equipment inside the little shed here. They're really nice, and they even have a little machine to wash off the pucks, so that's pretty neat. And they had a little get-together, actually a huge get-together, for Christmas dinner on Christmas Day, and it was free to all the residents, and there are some permanent people, you can see, but and this is just one section. There's like 2 more sections that have you know, some facilities. But see all this? Yeah, they had a big layout of food all the way across here and all the way down. There was all tables of food. And you get you some coffee or hi. It's a big library. There's some videos. There's a puppy. Aw. But it's a really nice place. We're going to be heading out, I guess, tomorrow. So I thought I'd give you a look around. There's all kinds of stuff. You know Florida. There's always stuff. And see, this goes all the way back over here. And then there's a highway and there's a whole nother section there. And there's actually, you walk on down here and there's a pond. So I'll show you that. Okay. All right. Here's the pond in our section, the sun section. So, of course, notice alligators are common in this area. They can be dangerous and should not be approached, frightened, or fed. Please give them respect they deserve. Keep your distance. Yeah, and I know they can run fast, and I don't know if I could outrun them or not, but I haven't seen any alligators, but there's some minnows. You know me, the fisherman. But this is lovely. Oh. Anyway, here's some horseshoe pits in our section behind the clubhouse. And here's the horseshoes. Like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pits, but this didn't know where they were, and I found them. But be fun. Yeah, here's the bocce ball. They have tournaments, and then there's a swim area. But there's lots of people. I really don't want to film the people. But it's nice. Nice. Nice hot tub. Nice pool. The pool's at a decent temperature too. Really nice. But just let y'all know. It's a nice place to come. Really nice. I'll take you to our spot. We're in Florida. See? Oh my gosh. See? It's like getting packed. Packed. That's where we're at. Right there. See us over there. Over there. Right there. Anyway. Alright, y'all. Alright guys, Strange RV Tours, another RV resort park review. This is nice. They're getting crowded though. They really are. And it's huge. But, you know, there's plenty of room. Grass, the weather. It's, you know, of course, everybody from Canada up north is coming down here. And actually, I couldn't film the entrance because they had people directing traffic. So, anyway, it's good. It's good. We've had 2 weeks here. We're leaving tomorrow for Dade City. Yeah. So, if you guys like the video, hit like, subscribe, hit the bell, and then share if you could, please. And you guys, you know, you should have seen some of the stuff we filmed though. Oh my gosh. Pretty cool stuff out here. Alright, later. Bye.